Okay, go.
Hi,
You're so late. So, anong compensation mo?
Ito na for you.
Yay! Because my friend is late, you make sure na meron siyang compensation doon. So, by the way, this is my vlogger friend.
Hi guys, I'm not yet a vlogger.
I like your coat. Why are you late, Besh?
There was a traffic out there. I don't know where.
So siya, meron siyang everything in it?
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Besh, nung nag-order ako, self-service. Ikaw kailan, forget naka-formal attire ka.
Ganun talaga. Siyempre, magtuturo ako ngayon ng lecture.
Okay, so, gusto nyo, anyway, let's taste test. Anyway, what's for our itinerary for today?
So, today I'm gonna tour you around St. Paul's area.
Dumating ako dito sa Central East na to, so I'm so amazed with the structure. And when I saw Besh, marami ang subscribers. May ka naman sa viewers ko. Okay, so I think ang ganda na ng content ng vlog natin. Hi guys! Just made a call. Long distance call in the Philippines. Kinamusta ko lang yung family ko. Ayun, medyo mura lang naman pala yung long distance call dito. BLDT rin. We're here at St. Paul's Cathedral. So this is a very historical building built in...
Charot.
Okay guys, my friend here, tuturuan niya kung paano mag-travel here in London by riding a train. He's gonna show you how, since I'm just new here. So I cannot give you a lot of tips, although I know naman how, pero itong friend ko since 3 years na siya dito. So yun. But you will download the app City Mapper because everything is there. If you're gonna ride a bus, a tube, or you're gonna walk, everything is in, di ba Besh? City Mapper.
Yes, we usually use City Mapper to go anywhere here.
Okay, tama na. Besh, go.
So, we're here at St. Paul Station. This is the underground. So, this is the central line papunta. So, according to City Mapper, papunta tayong Bond Street. And then from Bond Street, we're gonna move to Jubilee Line, going to Finchley Road, where we are going to Mama's house, Mama's Kubo, whatever.
Very easy, you just have to stop your car. And then, baliktad ang escalator here,
So when you walk here in London, you have to be on the left. And you want to stay on your right. So you are doing it right. You're doing it right, Dean. Keep it up.
pag nandito kayo sa London, be careful sa Meron tayong special guest here in my vlog today. So he's my senior nurse.
Where's your mic?
Say hi to
She
the
doesn't have a microphone.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
He's my senior nurse in Johnson and he's been here in UK for
10 years.
British citizen.
284?
Yeah, so green light, come on.
Or not?
You can do this if it's green light.
Oh, wow.
Are you taking a video of me?
na si Denise.
So this is a Filipino restaurant here in London. So let's check it out if it's masarap.
Well, after 10 p.m. or Monday Ghost.
Happy birthday! I have a gift for you. Bakit may vlogger?
Oo, talagang siya.
Happy birthday! Wala, grabe. You're so sexy. Friend, bakit ang lapit yung camera mo?
Kasi ginawa ako katulong ng vlogger friend natin. So, siya po yung birthday girl natin. She's already 28 years of age.
28.
Yeah. As you can see. Pop, pop. Why are they so shy?
Oh.